Question 1. As per ancient Indian philosophy, the Purusharthas or the four aims of life does not include. Right answer is D. Yasha. Question 2. How many Vedangas are there in total? Right answer is C. 6. Question 3. Who was called India's Napoleon because of his victories? Right answer is D. Samudragupta. Question 4. Vikramshila University was founded by. Right answer is B. Dharmapala. Question 5. Up to where did Chandragupta Maurya's empire extend in the northwest? Right answer is C. Indus River. Question 6. Who chaired the drafting committee of the Constitution? Right answer is A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 7. Who replaced Sachidananda Sinha as President of the Constituent Assembly? Right answer is C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question 8. Who is the final authority to interpret the Constitution? Right answer is A. The Supreme Court. Question 9. The Prime Minister of India is. Right answer is C. Appointed. Question 10. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to which of the following? Right answer is A. Lok Sabha. Question 11. Which of the following order of planets is correct as per distance in increasing order from the Earth? Right answer is B. Venus, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter. Question 12. Which among the following is false about Earth? Right answer is A. It is also known as the red planet. Question 13. Yellow revolution is associated with the production of. Right answer is D. All seeds. Question 14. Surat is situated on the banks of which river? Right answer is C. Tapti. Question 15. Which of the following is a parameter for economic development? Right answer is D. Per capita monetary income. Question 16. Which among the following is included in the gross domestic product? Right answer is C. Sales of final goods. Question 17. Price and output are determinants in market structures other than. Right answer is B. Perfect competition. Question 18. Who propounded the dynamic theory of profit? Right answer is A. Clark. Question 19. What is the unit of measurement of the magnetic field strength? Right answer is A. Tesla. Question 20. Which of the following instruments is used in submarines to view objects above sea level? Right answer is D. Periscope. Question 21. The sounds having a frequency of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz are known as. Right answer is D. Audible sounds. Question 22. In a refrigerator, the cooling system should always be. Right answer is A. At the bottom. Question 23. In the water cycle, snow and ice get directly converted into vapors. This process is called. Right answer is C. Sublimation. Question 24. Why do atoms make bonds? Right answer is D. To reduce potential energy and gain stability. Question 25. German silver, an alloy, does not contain which metal? Right answer is D. Silver. Question 26. Which of the following is a physical change? Right answer is C. Sublimation. Question 27. Which of the following has an open vascular system? Right answer is A. Cockroach. Question 28. Which of the following is the world's fastest ant species? Right answer is C. Saharan silver ant. Question 29. The process through which plants reproduce is called. Right answer is D. Pollination. Question 30. Grey hair is caused due to. Right answer is A. Loss of melanin in epidermal cells.